Today I'm going to be showing you guys something extraordinary in Build-A-Boat. So, it's how you can make anything, as long as it's not too heavy. You can make anything into a remote control anything. Like, most remote control things are only doable on PC. Now, you can even make them on mobile now. So, I'm going to use some not heavy blocks because they're too heavy. They're just too... What are you... Isolation mode on. Bye-bye. Okay, so... I'm going to... Hold on. I don't have that much plastic. I'm going to use a different block. Hold on. Like some bricks, but not too many bricks. Okay, so now... Most of the time, if you try to make this... Put this here... Then just put an engine on it. Like this. It would just... Oh, wait, let me put a camera on it, too. Yeah, let me just do that. Okay, so it would just... Let me... Unanchor. You could move it, but it wouldn't turn at all. So, I'll be showing you a solution for this problem. We anchor everything. Just so I don't have to build that again, I'm gonna delete that. And this time, instead of just putting an engine there, I'm gonna put a backwards servo. Actually, those aren't called, these are the servos. I don't know what those are called, but those things. And then I put an engine on it. Wait, let me find an engine. And it's very easy. We're almost done. Put an engine on it like that. And then put an engine on the front. Have your camera wherever. I didn't really want to take the time to put it somewhere. And now I'm going to unanchor again. Now you can turn perfectly fine. And that's the end of the video. It's pretty extraordinary. I just figured out about this. So I guess, goodbye.